Well, I've been walking in a worn out shoe. You don't play to win, you play to lose. And I've been playing for all too long. I've done too much crying in my songs. But the tear that reaches heaven first might be sanctified and return to earth. So I'll keep crying all night long, just hoping that my song might get to God. And I've been singing songs in blue. Since the night I learned to hold a tune. Been holding back for all too long. And if you hold too much, your strength is gone. Tune that reaches heaven first might be sanctified and return to earth. So I'll keep singing all night long, just hoping that my song might get to God. I've been walking in a worn out shoe. You don't play to win, you play to lose.
Alright guys, we're here in North Georgia and we actually got some snow today, so we're going to do a little test and see how long it takes to bring a cup of snow to boil using our fancy feast stove. Hope y'all stay with us and we'll talk to y'all in just a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to add about 2 ounces of fuel. As you can see right here, I've got snow in my cup. Let's get this thing lid off and test started. Alright, starting time right now. Let's see how it's doing. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. See, it's melted it pretty good. I'm going to get a little bit more snow and put in there, where I can get about a cup load. good. I mean, it basically, as soon as I dropped it in there, it melted. That should be about a cup. Well, it's going on 9 minutes almost, and it's still going strong. Not quite to a boil yet, but all the snow is melted. You see, all the snow is melted. 9 minutes. Rolling boil going. Just a few more minutes. Alrighty, I've got a boil. Now we'll be at 13 minutes, 13 seconds. I add a little bit off that, but I bet if I'd have put it all in there at once, I would have. Let's go ahead and make us some coffee. Guys, I want to say thanks for watching this. I hope you can subscribe to my channel. Continue watching the rest of the videos I post. We're going to get down here and enjoy the coffee we just made. Y'all be safe. Get out in the woods and enjoy yourself. We'll see you next time.